IELTS cue cards, the way to score a 9 band is to have a structure, a template that you can use every time you speak, so you don't have to think, you don't make mistakes grammatically or on vocab. You just go ahead, use this template that we're going to discuss today in every cue card question, and you guarantee yourself an 8 or 9 in every question of the IELTS cue cards. So we're here in part 2, and this is the sample cue card. For example, we get, okay, you have to talk about your favorite vacation. You should say when was it, who did you go with, and what was the best part. Also, the fourth bullet point, would you go there again? All right, now we have, as usual, an intro, a conclusion. We also have the 4 bullet points, which is basically 3 plus 1. The fourth stands out for some reason in the way they write the questions. So we have the 4 bullet points. With each bullet point, our attempt is to answer 1 to 2 points, okay? Examiners always cut people's task response marks because some questions are missed. So the best thing you can do is answer 1 to 2 points per question, and you would never lose task response marks. That is how this template is organized as well. Now again, we're talking about our favorite vacation. This is the way you can start this topic and every topic you get. So for example, in this case about your vacation, you're gonna put the subject right here. We're talking about vacations, right? Vacations are always a fun topic for me to ponder over. Ponder is a fancier word. It means to think over, and we want to be natural. Fun topic. I didn't put a very fancy word here on purpose because the first sentence usually seems memorized by people. We're going to memorize this too, but the difference is we're first making the examiner comfortable, making them think that we haven't memorized it. It sounds very natural, but secretly including a fancy word there. First impression, last impression. So you want to go strong from the very start. And then we can now say, to be specific, for this question, I would say, and then you continue with your topic. I would say my favorite vacation was probably when I went to Paris. Okay? So you have 2 sentences basically in your intro, and fill in the gaps with the type of question you get. Now you're not going to be like other candidates and say firstly, secondly, thirdly. You are going to say mainly because you want to be different. You want to use unique vocabulary. Mainly. Now you're talking here about the first point. Mainly, it was in 2019, just before the pandemic, when everything was normal. You add another point about when, plus